A tiny bird and a loyal cow did something unbelievable. What's still end to know?
A farmer lived happily with his family and
His loyal cow.
Gauri.
We love you, Gauri. You.
Gauri, you are our biggest support.
We love you, Gauri.
One day, the farmer fell very sick and could not work anymore.
We have no food left. A tiny bird sitting on a tree saw their pain. This family is kind. I must help them.
The bird flew far and brought golden grains one by one.
I will bring hope for them.
The farmer's daughter found the grains outside their house. Mother, look, these are shining grains.
This is a miracle.
Gauri stayed loyal and kept giving milk every day.
Gauri never left us. With the bird's kindness and cow's loyalty, the farmer recovered.
Thank you, my friends. Kindness saved us.
Kindness and loyalty can change lives. Follow for more heart-touching stories.
If this story touched your heart, don't forget to follow for more beautiful stories like this. Bye bye for now.